So welcome back to this session. So in the last class we have seen the circular permutation, the concept of circular permutation, how we arrange the given n different objects in a circular table, and we have seen some different conditions with which we can arrange them on a circular table. Okay, so just for a recap, in a minute I will recap everything. So if suppose you have n distinct objects, if you have un distinct object and if I want to place them all on a circular table, then that can be done in n minus 1 factorial. Okay, and for the Garland cases or the clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement, if have same permutations, then that can be done in n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. So these are the two important concepts we have seen, and with the example I told you these things. So if you have not seen that video, please go through and check out. Okay, so without any further delay, let's try to apply these concepts to solve the questions from the exercise 3.5. okay, so let's get started. So the very first question is like this. Okay, so let me have the first question here. So in how many ways can 8 friends sit around a table? Yes, who will tell me the answer to this question? In how many
7
ways?
factorial.
Yes, in how many different ways can 8 friends sit around a table? ठीक है, n different objects can be arranged in n minus 1 factorial.
हो
8 लोग
सर.
के, so 8 students want to sit in a circular permutation, so that can be done in 8 minus 1 factorial, which is
Factorial.
nothing but 7 factorial. That's it for the first question. Let's see the next one. A party has 20 participants. A party has 20 participants, full stop. Find the number of distinct ways for the host to sit with them around a circular table. How many of these ways have two specified persons on either side of host? Very important question. So let's me have.
सर पहिल्या केस मध्ये 20 पार्टिसिपेंट आणि +1 होस्ट आहे ना,
Yes, see here.
म्हणजे
Very
21
good.
-1.
Yes, very good. A party has a 20 participants. Okay, 20 लोग पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं पार्टी में, एंड उसके साथ एक होस्ट भी है. ओके, मीन्स टोटल people we have is 20 participant plus 1 host, so total people becomes 21 total. Okay, 21 people we have. Now they all want to sit around a circular table, so in how many ways you can do that? So 21
21 -1.
20 minus 2.
circular permutation, so 20 factorial. Okay, so how many of these, मतलब ये 20 factorial में how many of these have two specified persons on either side of the host? Okay, suppose this is a host and these two particular persons are like this, A and B. Okay, so this may be a case, or you may have this may be the case. On either side of the host बोला है, ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि लेफ्ट हैंड में ए चाहिए राइट हैंड में बी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं बोला. यू मे हैव बोथ केसेस ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द होस्ट.
2 factorial सर.
ओके, बट यू वांट टू प्लेस ऑल ऑफ देम. सो ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द होस्ट मतलब क्या है, दिस ए होस्ट एंड बी should always be together. Yesterday we have seen one question which is where we have seen the Rajkumar, king and queen. The Rajkumar and queen are always on either side of the Rajkumar, ऐसा बोला था. Sorry, king and queen are always on the either side of the Rajkumar बोला था. The same concept we have here. On either side of the host मतलब क्या है, this AHB or BHA should be the case, and in these two both the cases what we observe is A, H and B are always together. Getting? Yes, मतलब क्या है, these three are always together. So if these three are always together, A, H, B form one group. Always together case में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we form a group, then how many remaining? A, H, B. If you form a group of these three, how many remaining? Total you have 21. Out of 21 you have taken 3. राहिले किती?
18.
18 रह गए. Okay, now tell me how many total distinct objects you have. How many
19.
total distinct objects you have? 19. Okay, so these 19 different objects can be arranged at a circular permutation in how many ways?
18.
18 factorial.
18 factorial. Very good. Okay, now do we have only AHB case? No, we could have BHA also. So these two A and B can permit among themselves. So that can be done in
2
2
factorial.
factorial ways. So what is the answer then? It is
18
18 factorial into 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
This is what my answer is. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
See, understanding these questions is very, very important. Let's see the next one. Third question. A delegates from 24 countries participate in a round table discussion. खतरनाक डिस्कशन चल रहा है वहाँ पे. Delegates from 24 countries participate in a round table discussion. Perfect. Find the number of sitting arrangements where two specified delegates always together and never together. Okay, so let's first solve the always together case. So there are total, you have total 24 delegates. Total 24. Okay, always together means what we do?
Form a group.
Form a group. Okay, so कितने लोग always together आने वाले हैं? Two
Two.
specified delegates are always together. So form a group of 2, delegate 1 and delegate 2. Form a group of these two. How many are remaining then? How many are remaining?
22.
22 are remaining. How many total distinct objects you can form here?
23.
23. So these 23 different groups can be arranged at a circular table in how many ways?
21.
21 factorial. But these D1 and D2, delegate 1 and 2 can permit themselves, which is in 2 factorial ways. Is this okay? So what is the answer then? Sorry, it should be 22 and this is 120, 23 हो गया ना ये?
हाँ sir.
22
22
factorial.
and ये 20.
23 मान लेना है.
Yes, it should be 23 हो गया. So 23 can be arranged in 22 factorial ways. Yes, it should be 22 factorial ways. So what is the answer then? So it is 22 factorial into 2 factorial is the answer. Is it okay? Perfect. Now let's see the next question. Those two delegates never sitting together for a discussion. They don't want to sit together. So what to do? Yes?
सर ए परत सांगता का? माझं ते रेंज गेली होती मध्ये.
Okay.
ऐकायला
Yes. What is A is the two particular delegates want to sit together. So what I have done? We have taken D1 and D2, the two particular delegates, and I formed a group. Okay, so this is one group. So out of this 22, 24 we have to form a group. Okay, how many remaining? 22 राहिले, 24 मधून 2 गेले, राहिले 22. टोटल डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट किती गेले हो? किती झाले? हे 22 आणि हे हा एक ग्रुप आहे दोघांचा म्हणून, ते 23.
23.
So 23 arranged in a circular permutation and 22 factorial ways. And after that this D1 and D2 can permit themselves in between themselves. So D1 D2 हो सकता है और D2 D1 भी हो सकता है. So that is nothing but the 2 factorial. So 22 into 2 factorial is your answer. Is it okay? Okay, ठीक है. So now let's see the never together case. Never together case, how to solve? Never together means what? It is total minus together. If you have the total number of permutations and you subtract this case, okay, where the d1 and d2 are together. समजा टोटल आहेत, त्या टोटल मधून मी हे टुगेदरचे केसेस काढतोय, तर मला काय राहील? नेवर टुगेदरचे केसेस राहतील. आर यू गेटिंग दिस?
हो सर.
हो
Perfect.
सर.
So tell me how many total permutations we can have?
24 minus 2.
See here, 24 minus 2y. Total I want. There is no any condition on the delegates, no condition on the sitting arrangement. All the 24 want to sit at a circular table. So if you have 24, they all want to sit at a circular permutation, then that can be done in 23 factorial. Getting?
हो सर.
23 फॅक्टोरियल कसं आहे?
हो, 24 लोक आहेत, 24 मध्ये सगळ्यांनाच बसायचंय सर्क्युलर टेबल. टोटल सांगतोय मी. टोटल मीन्स इट इज विदाउट एनी कंडिशन. So 24 delegates hai, those can be arranged in a 23 factorial ways. So that is a 23 factorial. Minus together कितना है अपना? This is what we have. 22 factorial into 2 factorial. This is what the answer is. 23 factorial minus 22 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, so if you simplify this, 23 factorial can be written as 23 into 22 factorial minus 22 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, so from both of these I can take 22 factorial common. राहिला काय? 23 minus 2. See this, हा काढला बाहेर आणि हा बाहेर काढला, राहिला हा आणि हा. So this is nothing but 22 factorial into 22. Sorry, 21. Okay, 22 factorial into 21. This should be your answer. Okay, see, wherever you get these bigger number for factorials, keep them as it is. Do not waste your time in simplifying this 22 factorial. It will be a very huge number. Okay, so जरी exam मध्ये अशा टाइपचे क्वेश्चन आले तर so keep these 22 factorial or any 50 factorial, 10 factorial as it is. कुठेपर्यंत सर फॅक्टोरियल सिम्प्लिफाय करायला पाहिजे? हार्डली 7, 8, 9 पण नाही जायचं. 7, 8 पर्यंत फॅक्टोरियल्स तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता मॅन्युअली. ओके, इफ यू हॅव कॅल्क्युलेशन्स ऑफ 7 or 8 फॅक्टोरियल्स, यू डू कॅल्क्युलेशन. बट 10 फॅक्टोरियल, 15 फॅक्टोरियल, 20 फॅक्टोरियल नाही करायचं. डोंट वेस्ट युअर टाइम. ओके, परफेक्ट. सो आय होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर.
हो सर.
Okay, let's see the next one. Find the number of ways for 15 people to sit around a table so that no two arrangements have the same neighbors. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा conceptual question है. देखो यहाँ पे. So what this question is saying is, suppose I have a circular table and this is another circular table of 15 people. Suppose we will have A, B, C, D and so on. Suppose यहाँ पे 15 लोग हो गए. All the 15 delegates we have here. This is a one type of permutation we are having. Okay, so this is what anti-clockwise. A, B, C, D, E till 15 people. No two arrangements have the same neighbors. मतलब A च्या बाजूला B आहे आणि B च्या बाजूला C आहे. मतलब B को A and C are neighbors. So in some other permutation you should not have these three together. Okay, मतलब A, B, C हे असं नाही राहायला पाहिजे. C, A, B चालेल का? सी ए बी चालेल, पण सी बी ए, इथे सी आणि इथे ए दुसऱ्या परम्युटेशन मध्ये नाही चालणार. ओके, मीन्स व्हॉट, इफ यू ऑब्झर्व व्हेरी केअरफुली this permutation and the way you are permuting in the other case A, B, C, D and so on till 15, okay, clockwise. Here also what you observe is B K, A and C are two neighbors. B is having A and C neighbors. यहाँ पे भी सेम था, A आणि B नेबर आहेत, इथे पण A आणि B नेबर आहेत. ओके, नो टू अरेंजमेंट शुड हैव सेम नेबर्स. मतलब क्या है, ये दोनों के दोनों सेम हो गए इन दिस केस. इफ यू आर काउंटिंग दिस यू शुड नॉट काउंट दिस वन. रिपीटेशन नहीं चाहिए मुझे. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट indirectly they are asking for us to find out the clockwise and anti-clockwise are same. Clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are same. Obviously na, see this is a clockwise and the anti-clockwise, both are the same here.
हो सर.
हो सर.
ठीक है. So in how many ways we can do then? Total we have 15 people. Those
15
all want
minus
to,
1.
yes, those all want to sit at a circular table, so it will become circular permutation. That can be done in 14 factorial ways. Yes or no? 15 लोग हैं तो 14 फैक्टोरियल आ गया, 14 फैक्टोरियल.
हो सर.
And I want to count only one, either this or this. Duplicate नहीं चाहिए, where we are considering the clockwise and anti-clockwise same, so that's why I will divide it by 2. This is nothing but n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. See, duplicate, how we remove the duplicates. In the linear permutation also we have seen, if suppose you have n duplicates, we divide by n factorial. If suppose you have 2 duplicates, we divide by 2 factorial. इथे पण 2 डुप्लिकेट आहेत ना, 2 केसेस वेगवेगळे आहेत, सॉरी 2 केसेस सेम आहेत. सो दीज 2 cases I have removed the duplicate by just dividing by this 2, n minus 1 factorial by 2. So this is what your answer is, 14 factorial by 2. Is this okay everyone?
हो सर.
Yes sir.
Okay, your condition should be satisfied, that is the no two arrangements have same neighbors. That's why we have to divide it by 2 to remove the duplicates. Let's see the next one. A committee of 10 members. क्या हो गया कमिटी को, किसके लिए है ये कमिटी? लेट्स सी.
सर म्हणजे त्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये ए सी नेबर होता, बी आणि डी नेबर होता है ना.
हा यस, तेच सेम आपल्याला नाही पाहिजे. आता हे ए बी, आता नेक्स्ट केस मध्ये ए आणि बी मला नाहीच पाहिजे, ए आणि सी चालेल. गेटिंग?
येस सर.
Okay. A committee of 10 members sit around a table. Find the number of arrangements that have the president and vice president together. अभी देखो, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन कंसेप्ट वही लगेगा, सिर्फ जस्ट दे हैव चेंज द वर्डिंग्स. एक बार वो प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बोल रहे, एक बार 2 पर्टिकुलर डेलीगेट्स टुगेदर बोल रहे, एक बार किंग एंड क्वीन बोल रहे हैं. Arrangement is what? They both want to sit together. So what we do in that case?
ग्रुप.
Form a group. So president का एक ग्रुप बनाओ and vice, sorry, president and vice president इन दोनों का एक ग्रुप बना दो. राहिले किती हो? 10 मधून 2 गेले, 8 राहिले. टोटल डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट किती झाले? 9. 9 ला परम्युटेशन 8 फॅक्टोरियल मध्ये करू शकतो आपण. And
हो सर.
these two can be permute themselves in 2 factorial ways. So what is your answer is? 8
8
factorial and 2
factorial.
factorial. That's it. This is your answer is. The question seems to be very difficult, but nahi. We have the solid concepts here. Base अपना एकदम पक्का हो गया अभी. Okay, so you can solve any damn question here. Are you getting the concepts? Please.
हो सर.
Perfect. Let's see the next one. Question number 6. क्या बोलता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6? 5 men, okay, 2 women. Okay, yes. 5 men, 2 men and a child sit around a table. Find the number of arrangements where child is seated between 2 women. Between 2 men. Okay. So first case, so what they want actually? So woman, child, woman, This is the first case, and the second case is what? Man, child and man. Man, child and man. Getting? Then how to
हो
proceed
सर.
now? How to proceed? Same type of question just now we have solved. Host के साथ दो लोग चाहिए, those want to sit on either side of host. Here also women want to sit on either side of host. एक इधर बैठेगी और एक इधर बैठेगी ना. So how to solve these type of questions?
ग्रुप करें.
Yes, perfect, very good. We have to form a group. किसका ग्रुप बनाओगे? Woman
वुमेन
का,
आणि
child and woman. But how many women we have here is, okay, let's first write down the given condition. So we have 5 men, okay, 2 women and a child, single child. Okay, so यहाँ पे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 2 women है and I want the arrangement like this, woman, child and woman. So definitely we can form a group. So woman 1, child and woman 2. ओके, सो फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ दीज थ्री. टोटल किती आहे तो? 5, 6, 7 आणि 8. टोटल 8 बंदे आहे अपने पास. आर यू गेटिंग? टोटल वी हैव 8 people.
येस.
Okay, out of that 8 I have formed a group of these 3. How many remaining?
5,
5 are
5.
remaining. How many total distinct objects we can see now?
6,
Now these 6 want to sit at a circular table, at a round table. That can be done in how many ways?
5 factorial.
5 factorial ways. इसका क्या करोगे फिर अभी?
Into 2 factorial.
2 factorial करोगे, because W1 and W2 can permute in between themselves. So that will be done in 2 factorial ways. So what is the answer is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. I hope it is clear. Is this okay?
हो सर.
अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 वुमन थे इसलिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अभी मेन का देखो कैसा प्रॉब्लम आता है. You have total 5 men, okay, and 2 people want to sit on either side of child. Okay, so B, so you have 5 men. Let's name
Sir.
all of, yes.
सर ते वर 2 फॅक्टोरियल कसं आलं सांगताल का?
बघा ना इथे 2 वुमन चाइल्डच्या बाजूला पाहिजेत. ओके, हे वुमन 1 आहे, चाइल्ड आणि वुमन 2 आहे. पण आपल्याला असं सांगितलंय का चाइल्डच्या लेफ्ट हँड साईडला वुमन 1 पाहिजे, चाइल्डच्या राईट हँड साईडला वुमन 2 पाहिजे? त्यांनी सांगितलं की वुमन मला त्यांच्या बाजूला पाहिजे. तर अनदर केस कुड बी लाईक दिस, W2 C W1. हे असं चालू आहे, सर्कुलर टेबलवर चालू आहे. सपोज यू हैव C हियर, यहाँ पे W1 भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे W2 हो सकता है, और यू मे हैव यहाँ पे W2 और यहाँ पे W1. हो सकता है या नहीं? ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द बोला है, मतलब C शुड बी इन बिटवीन 2 वुमन. सी परमिटेशन अँड कॉम्बिनेशन ह्या टॉपिकमध्ये वी हॅव टू ओनली व्हेरी चॅलेंजिंग थिंग इज वॉट यू हॅव टू थिंक ऑल पॉसिबल ऑप्शंस. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन लेके मैं चलूँगा और क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करूँगा, नहीं. वी शुड नो ऑल दी पॉसिबल ऑप्शंस एंड हाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दीज पॉसिबल ऑप्शंस. प्रैक्टिस, सिर्फ आपको प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है. सॉल्व एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस एज पॉसिबल, ठीक है. एंड आई विल टेल यू देर आर ओनली फिक्स्ड पर्टिक्युलर, मतलब सपोज एक 10 टाइपचे फिक्स्ड क्वेश्चन आहेत. यू हॅव ओनली 10 टाइप्स ऑफ फिक्स्ड क्वेश्चन्स. आउट ऑफ दॅट यू विल नॉट गेट एनिथिंग. आता बघा इथे जवळजवळ हे टुगेदरवाला केस आपण ही 3री का 4थी वेळा सॉल्व करते सेम एक्सरसाइजमध्ये. सो द कन्सेप्ट इज सेम, द क्वेश्चन पॅटर्न इज सेम, just wording is different. In this question they are saying child should be in between the 2 women. ह्याच्या आधीच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये बघाल तर काय सांगितलं, 2 particular should be on either side of child, असं पण होऊ शकतं. So you should understand all the given options. Is it okay? Yes or no please?
येस सर.
अभी देखो यहाँ पे 5 men, we have 2 women and a child. Now what I want is man, child and another man. अभी यहाँ पे देखो इन सबके लिए ऑप्शंस क्या क्या है. ओके, सी हियर, चाइल्ड, I will have a circle. Child, suppose child is sitting here, so this place and this place should occupied by man only. Are you getting? So tell me how many options you have for this place.
5.
किती मॅन आहेत आपल्याकडे? 5. So this place can be filled in 5 different ways. So how many ways you have for this place?
4.
4. Very good, excellent. ओके, सो ये हो गया अपना चाइल्ड फिक्स हो गया, ये 5 फिक्स हो गया और ये 4 फिक्स हो गया. अभी देखो, आउट ऑफ कितना है टोटल? 8. आउट ऑफ दिस 8 हाउ मेनी यू हैव फिक्स्ड?
5.
ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई कैन से हियर इज दैट ये 5 और 4 हो गया, तो बाकी का कितना बच गया? 3 5, सो 5
2
फैक्टोरियल.
वुमन्स राहिले.
किती राहिले?
2 वुमन्स.
हां, 2 वुमन्स अँड अजून बाकीचे
Child.
तीन लोक राहिले ना?
नाही,
3 लोक राहिले ना अजून?
2 ना सर. आपण चाइल्ड तिथे ठेवलं ना.
हा, पण 2 तुम्ही आता फक्त 2 मेनला फिक्स केलात. इथे एक मॅन बसला आणि इथे एक मॅन बसला. आउट ऑफ 5 यू हॅव फिक्स्ड ओनली 2. यू हॅव युज्ड ओनली 2 मेन हियर. बाकीचे 3 मेन राहिले ना?
हो.
सो बाकीचे 3 मेन राहिले, 2 वुमन राहिले, बरोबर आहे? म्हणजे 5 लोक राहिले.
हो.
सो दोज 5 people can be arranged in how many ways? Yes, please tell me. Those 5 people can be arranged in how many ways? ह्या पोझिशनला किती जागा आहेत? ह्या पोझिशनला किती ऑप्शन आहेत?
5.
5. वेरी गुड. इसके लिए कितने ऑप्शंस हैं?
4.
4. इसके लिए 3, इसके लिए 2 एंड इसके लिए 1. सो दिस इज व्हाट?
5 फॅक्टोरियल.
Yes, this is what we have 5 factorial. So 5 factorial into, यहाँ पे 5 ऑप्शंस है आपको, 5 into यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शंस है. This is 4. Getting? So 5 factorial is what? It is 120. So 5 is what? 5 into 2 4 is what? It is 20. So कितना आ गया आंसर? 12 दूनी 24. 2400. So there are 2400 different ways we have in which we can arrange like the child should be in between the men. हा, बोला, कोणाला डाऊट आहे? क्वेश्चन नाही समजला का? कोणालाच नाही समजला?
सर
हा, बोलो.
सर ते वरती आपण 5 आणि 4 घेतल्यानंतर खाली परत 5 पासून का चालू केलं मग?
अच्छा, बघा इथे. We will start once again. We have a circular table here. Child 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. टोटल किती लोक आहेत आपल्याकडे? 5 मेन, 3 वुमेन, सॉरी 2 वुमेन आणि 1 चाइल्ड. किती झाले टोटल? 8 झाले. आणि हे 8 सीट आहेत आपल्याकडे, बरोबर? रिप्लाय करत चला फास्ट.
हो.
8 लोक आहेत आणि 8 सीट आहेत. सो त्याच्यामध्ये कंडिशन काय की दिस शी शुड हॅव 1 man on this side and other man on this side. This is what given condition is. But in the previous question we had only 2 women, so it was very easy for us की आपण इथे एका वुमनला बसवलं आणि इथे एका वुमनला बसवलं डायरेक्टली. पण इथे तुमच्याकडे 5 मेन आहेत. त्या 5 मधून एक इथे बसणार आहे आणि एक इथे बसणार आहे. समजा वुमन 1 आणि इथे बसला, सॉरी मॅन, समजा मॅन 1 इथे बसला आणि मॅन 2 इथे बसला. आता M3 M4 आणि M5 राहिले ना? समजतंय का? 2 वुमन राहिले म्हणजे किती झाले? 1 2 3 4 आणि 5. हे W1 आणि W2 पण राहिले. हे 3 आणि हे 2 5. सो दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव टेकन 5 फॅक्टोरियल हियर. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर. नाउ टेल मी, for this position how many options you have? इथे मला एक मॅन पाहिजे.
5.
आपल्याकडे 5 लोक आहेत, 5 पुरुष आहेत. सो आउट ऑफ दोज 5 आय कॅन यूज एनी वन. सो आई हैव टोटल 5 ऑप्शंस फॉर दिस प्लेस. एक भाई साहब इधर बैठ गए तो यहाँ पे कितने ऑप्शंस बचेंगे अभी?
4.
4 ऑप्शंस. ओके, consider M1 has occupied here and M2 has occupied this place. राहिले कोण कोण हो? M3, M4 आणि M5 राहिले, हे 3, आणि W1 W2 हे 2 वुमन राहिले. आता ह्या पोझिशनसाठी आता 5 लोक आहेत ना, 5 लोक आहेत आणि तुमच्याकडे 5 वॅकंट सीट आहेत. सो 5 people can be arranged in a 5 factorial ways or not? Because now this becomes your linear combination, linear permutation, not it is a circular नहीं है, because circle तो ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गया है अभी. सो ह्या पोझिशनला किती जागा आहेत? 5. ह्याला किती असतील? 4.
4.
3,
3,
2
2,
आणि
1.
1. समजलं का? आता खाली फॅक्टोरियल काय आलं? 5.
हो
समजलं?
सर.
ओके,
Yes,
सो दिस इज व्हाट नथिंग बट द 5 फैक्टोरियल. ये 5 फैक्टोरियल आ गया इनटू 5 ऊपर का, एंड इनटू ये 4. ये कितना आ गया अभी? 120 इंटू 20 विच बिकम्स 2400. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव आंसर. समझते का?
yes, sir.
Okay, so 8 and 6. So we have 8 men and 6 women. And how many of sitting arrangements will have no 2 women together? So we'll definitely go for the alternate arrangement. We have 2 options as I told you. Either you do the total minus together case. This is when we have more than 2 entities, and we have the alternate arrangement. This is when we have only 2 opposite entities. Okay, so let's have the circle here. Okay, so first fix all the men here. So we have total 8 men. So 8 men can be arranged in, बघा इथे कोणी विचारलं 8 आहे ते 7 कसं आलं? See, this is what circular table we have is. So we have total 14 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are the 14 places we have. Okay, so I want to place 8 women here, sorry 8 men. So 8 men, अभी circle start नहीं हुआ है. So 8 men want to sit at this circular table. So that can be done in how many ways?
7 factorial.
7 फॅक्टोरियल. कारण सर्कल मध्ये बसायचं ना, ह्या 8 लोकांना सर्कल मध्ये बसायचं. सर्कल हॅज नॉट येट स्टार्टेड. ओके, सो दॅट कॅन बी डन इन 7 फॅक्टोरियल. समजलं का हो? कोणी विचारलं होतं हे 8चं 7 कसं झालं? ओके, नाउ सी हियर वी हैव द परम्युटेशन, सॉरी अरेंजमेंट ऑफ men like this. Man, we have man, then we have here M, then M, 1 2 3 4, then we have 5 6 is 7, and we'll have somewhere here 8. नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, क्यों एक्स्ट्रा आएगा यहाँ पे? So here we have M. Okay, now once you place this, let me erase these positions because okay, कितने हो गए भाई? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लोग झाले. 8 मेन हो गए यहाँ पे अभी. Is it okay everyone?
हो सर.
These are what 8 men we have. These are arranged in 7 factorial ways. Now if you observe very carefully, how many vacant places we can see for women now? For the given condition, no 2 women together. मतलब woman 1 can sit here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 आणि हे 8. So total we have 8 positions for 6 women. Are you getting? So when you get the first woman number 1, how many seats she is having?
8.
How many options she is having? So she is having 8 options. woman 2 ला किती ऑप्शन्स आहेत? 7. Are you getting or not? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके देखो यहाँ पे यू हैव टोटल 8 सीट्स. ओके आउट ऑफ दैट आई वांट एनी 6, so that can be arranged in 8p6 ways.
हो सर.
Yes or no? So your final answer becomes what? 7 factorial into 8p6. So 7 factorial into 8p6. So this is what the answer is. आता हे 8p6 आलं कसं? These are what the vacant places we have. So if you think like this, woman 1 ला 8 position 8 options आहेत 8 ठिकाणी बसायला. Now see, this is not a circular permutation now, because the circle has already started. Once the circle starts, you will not have circular permutation. फक्त स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट माहिती नाही आपल्याला म्हणून सगळं हे घोळ होते. हे 1 मायनस का करतं त्याच्यामुळे होते, कारण स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट माहित नाही आपले को. ओके सो these men already seated here. Now the positions becomes very clear. This position is absolutely different than this position. So for woman 1 you have 8 positions. She is having 8 different options. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose woman 1 has occupied this place. woman 2 ला किती पोझिशन्स आहेत आता फेवरेबल? 7 चेअर्स आहेत तिला बसायला. समजा ती इथे कुठेतरी बसली. woman 3 कुठे बसणार मग? woman 3 she will have 6 different options. Yes or no? So suppose she has occupied this place. woman 4 will have 5 different options. So suppose this is woman 2, then we have woman 5, woman 6. woman 5 ला 4 options आहेत, woman 6 ला 3 options आहेत.
3.
Okay, so this is suppose woman 6 and this is suppose woman 5. बघा, for this arrangement can we see that any two women are together? No, all the women are separated by at least one man, because if you consider these two, इन दोनों के बीच में भाई 2 men है. Getting this means this condition is satisfied where no two women are sitting together. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
So your final
Yes,
answer
sir.
is 7 factorial into 8p6. Now let's see the next one. Find the number of sitting arrangements for 3 men and 3 women to sit around a table so that exactly 2 women are together. Exactly 2 women are together. Now how you will do this case? So 3 men and 3 women. So we have a circular arrangement on which I want 2 women are together. Okay, so we'll have one together मतलब क्या है? We'll form a group. So in this group you have 2 positions. So first position ला किती options है? तो
3.
3 options है. Second position ला किती option है?
2.
2. Now out of 3 women you have used or given the position for 2 women. राहिले किती?
1.
एक वुमन राहिले याच्यातून आणि 3 मेन राहिले टोटल. बरोबर ना? एक वुमन आणि 3 मेन राहिले. सो टोटल राहिले किती मग? 4 जण.
4.
टोटल डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स कितना हो गया अभी?
5.
5. So 5 want to sit here at a circular table in how many ways?
4 factorial.
That is in the 4 factorial ways. That's it. Now you don't permit these two, because we have already considered with the help of this 3 and 2. We have already considered that. समजतंय का?
हो sir.
So find the number of sitting arrangements for 3 men and 3 women to sit around a table so that exactly 2 women are always together. So that is 4 factorial कितना हो गया फिर? ये 4 फैक्टोरियल आ गया एंड ये 4 फैक्टोरियल के बाद 3 इंटू 2 इंटू ओके हाँ तो दिस वी हैव टू कन्सिडर 3 इंटू 2 आर यू गेटिंग समजतंय का हे 3 आणि 2 आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागणार आहे we formed a group see here 1 and 2 these are the two positions let's see these are the two positions 1 and 2 they want to sit always together okay this place can be filled in 3 ways this place can be filled in 2 ways and the remaining means a total this one distinct object plus remaining 4 these 5 distinct objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways हे एवढं समजलं 4 factorial
हो सर.
but for this position you have 3 different objects and for this position you have 2 different objects getting so your total answer is what it is 3 into 2 into 4 factorial
4 फॅक्टोरियल.
this will be the total answer is आता ह्या क्वेश्चनला तुम्ही दुसऱ्या वेने पण बघू शकता you have 3 women so w1 w2 and w3 so any two want to sit together means what could be the case w1 w2 दोघं सोबत असतील किंवा w1 w3 सोबत असतील किंवा w2 आणि w3 हे सोबत असतील so these are the 3 different cases you may have are you getting
सर 3p2 होणार ना मग?
3
p2
हाँ exactly 3p2 होईल ते see you have 3 out of that you want to place any two so that becomes what 3p2 that is nothing but the 3p2 here we have considered 3p2
हो.
okay so this 3p2 means what we have formed a group and this group ला total permutations are 3p2 that is nothing but this case we have considered and in total we have 4 plus 1 so 5 distinct objects that can be arranged in 4 factorial ways so your final answer is what it is a 3 into 2 into 4 factorial this is what the final answer is it okay everyone
येस सर.
okay perfect let's see the next one find the number of sitting room ये हो गया 9th one 4 objects in a set of 10 objects are like okay ये तो बहुत simple है you will tell the answer to this question okay see yes 4 objects in a set of 10 objects are alike मतलब क्या है इन 10 में 4 objects same है find the number of ways of arranging them in a circular order हाँ सांगा हो
9 factorial divided by
excellent हाँ divided by
4 फॅक्टोरियल.
4 factorial total 10 आहेत 10 can be arranged in a circular permutation in 9 factorial but in 10 we have 4 objects same repeated मतलब we have some duplication so that can be removed by dividing the 4 factorial बघा आपण कसं आहे a जर 3 वेळेस आला तर आपण डिवाइड बाय 3 फॅक्टोरियल केला होता when during the linear permutation इथे 4 सेम आहेत तर डिवाइड बाय 4 फॅक्टोरियल करो see whenever you are solving the circular permutation question till you start the circle the question is of circular permutation एक बार अगर एक बंदा बैठ गया यहाँ पे सपोज एक मैन बैठ गया यहाँ पे the question becomes now linear permutation हा linear permutation चा क्वेश्चन होईल कन्सेप्ट समजते का yes
Yes,
is
sir.
it okay
येस.
okay so answer to the question is what it is 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial okay so how many questions are remaining then last question we have so let's solve this last question 15 persons क्या हो रहा है 15 person को 15 persons sit around a table find the number of arrangements that have two specified persons not sitting side by side अभी देखो ऐसे घुमा घुमा के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कंसेप्ट तो वही है means what they want is two specified person not together समझते So not together
Group,
means
sir.
what you will do?
Group.
Not
Group.
together means what we'll do? We will have total minus together. Okay. So can you please tell me how many total arrangements we will have here for 15%? It is 14 factorial. Perfect. Minus together means what? We will form a group of 2 here. Suppose we have P1 and P2, group of 2. राहिले किती?
13.
13 राहिले. टोटल किती झाले हो? Distinct
40.
object 14 झाले. Those can be arranged in how many ways? 13 factorial.
2.
10 factorial.
13
एक मिनिट,
factorial.
13.
These two can be arranged in between them in 2 factorial ways. So total answer कितना आ गया इसका? So it is 13 factorial into 2 factorial.
2
So
factorial.
final answer कितना आ गया? 14 factorial minus 13 factorial into 2 factorial. So how you will solve this? 14 factorial can be written as 14 into 13 factorial minus 13 factorial into 2 factorial. You take out the 13 factorial common. राहिलं काय मग? इथे राहिला 14 आणि इथे राहिला 2. So it is 14 minus 2, which is nothing but 13 factorial into 12. This is your final answer. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So with this we have
Finish.
finished the exercise 3.5.